Check this out, we are in Shenzhen, China, and we are in the middle of a park, and we are about to have some drinks dropped off by a drone. I have never experienced anything like this, but literally, the drone is landing in now. We've ordered a Starbucks. Will the delivery be successful? Let's have a look. It's bringing the Starbucks in. Whoa. There's the Starbucks right there, delivering the goods. So the delivery has landed. It's right in there. Let's see if it's brought my Starbucks to me in the park. All I need to do is type the last 4 digits of my phone number and I should be able to get it. Let's have a look. Here we go. The digits are successful. And here it is. Check that out. Whoa. Okay, here it is. The special delivery box. It's pretty cool, but there's a Starbucks inside. Wow. There we go. My first ever Starbucks delivered by a drone. I never thought I'd be sat in the middle of a park in Shenzhen, China, drinking a Starbucks that was delivered by a drone. Cheers to the future.